Bible verse for today. Even the wind and the waves obey him. Mark 4:41. Jesus and his disciples were caught in a violent storm. Waves crashed, the wind howled, but Jesus, he was asleep. The disciples panicked, just like we do when life gets rough. They cried out, "Don't you care if we drown?" Jesus stood up and said, "Peace, be still." And just like that, everything was calm. Being a Christian doesn't mean you won't face storms. It means you don't face them alone. Peace isn't the absence of the storm. It's the presence of Jesus in the boat. Hold on to him today. He's still the one the wind and waves obey.